of the testimonies was just taken from an incident which is more than with a considerable lapse of period of time already. So yun, the basis of the judgment is that between positive testimony and denial, mas binigyan ng credence yung positive testimony. Siyempre, wala naman tayong ibang defense as accused. Kung may allegation, we have to deny it since we are presumed innocent. So yun lang.
Ano yung
Magpa-file kami ng motion for reconsideration. Anyway, hindi pa naman final and executory ang judgment.
and bail?
Yes, application for bail. Because allowed to file an application for bail if the case is not yet final and executory.
What does this mean for?
What? I beg your pardon?
What does this conviction mean for?
Well, I have nothing to say about that. We just have to have faith and confidence with our judicial process. Anyway, the decision, the court has based it on the evidence. And for our side, as the defense counsel, we also have our merits to argue before the higher courts.
Sir, for clarification,
Only for the financing terrorism case. With respect to the two other cases, which is illegal possession of firearms and illegal possession of explosives, they were acquitted.
what was the case, sir? Dismissed by the court of appeals already?
It's different. That was the forfeiture of the money amounting to 567,000 plus. Yun, di ba alam mo na yun, nanalo na sa Court of Appeals. Actually, it's interrelated to that case in the Court of Appeals with this case because they are alleging that the accused here are financing terrorism. And there is still an argument with respect to whether or not there is a terrorist group here in the Philippines. Especially merong court decision na declaring that this organization is not a terrorist group. Anyway, we are already beyond that issue. Our main issue here is the case at hand that is financing terrorism, which happened allegedly sometime in March 2019.
Did they get